Hey YouTube, I'm going to talk about Holley Humberstone and her song called Vanilla. I've heard this song before. I call it the WebMD song because that's in the lyrics, but she does. I saw her perform it, and she does some interesting techniques with the chords. Before we get into that, let's just talk about what chords are in the song. It starts out on the C. I didn't want to spend too much time on WebMD. I could really identify with that. F is the next chord. Then A minor. G. It's a little descending chord pattern here. And then back to F. Then to C, and it starts over. That's basically the whole song has that. And maybe because it only uses 4 chords, she does some variations. So sometimes she just plays it straight, like in the open position. But sometimes what she does is she plays the F, like just this part of the F bar chord. She plays it like you would play an E chord in the open position, but she just slides that up to the second. It gives you a nice open kind of sound. And I'm leaving out the low E. And then she but that's being used in place of the F. She pulls off and hammers on. And then she takes the same shape, and that's the same one she uses for the G later in the song. So you just take that same, at the second fret, you move it up to the 4th, and that's how she plays the G sometimes. It has a very nice open quality to it. And then she plays the A minor like this. It's a little more of a stretch, but as you move up the neck, the frets get closer together. They get smaller. So that's basically playing like an minor bar chord, which goes back to like your E minor shape. Right. At the 5th, you got an A minor, 6-string root. But she is just playing it on strings 5, 4, 3. Just with her fingers like this, so she can slide into this G. So I think that is a really interesting way to play the A minor, the G, and the F chord. And it keeps the song sounding fresh. Now, what I thought she was doing when I first just watched her play it, I thought she was doing this C slide. This is very common. I had that lesson on PJ Harvey's song, The Mess We're In. They do this one. So you play the C. If you slide it up to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th frets, you can get a D sus chord. C, D. And if you slide it up to the 6th, 7th, and 8th, you can get this, I think it's an F chord. So there's some of these open chord tricks that you can kind of use them in certain positions. And I've never seen this one that she did before, but I like it. Alright, so that's what I wanted to show you, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.